This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove mud from a water tank. First, safety is paramount. Always disconnect any power and water lines to the tank before you begin. Next, you'll need to completely drain the tank, opening all valves to ensure maximum water removal. Good ventilation is crucial, especially if you plan to enter the tank. Finally, gather your cleaning tools, such as stiff brushes, squeegees, and a reliable wet/dry vacuum, to make the job easier. Once the tank is drained, it's time to tackle the mud. Begin by using a shovel or scoop to remove any large, thick accumulations of mud and debris. For the remaining sludge and water, a powerful wet/dry vacuum will be your best friend, efficiently suctioning it out. Always work systematically, starting from the top and pushing the mud towards the tank's drain or access point. Try to avoid stirring up the mud too much, as this can make the water cloudy and harder to remove. After removing the bulk of the mud, it's time for a thorough scrub. Use a stiff brush and a mild, food-grade detergent to clean all interior surfaces of the tank. Make sure to pay extra attention to corners, seams, and any crevices where mud tends to accumulate. Once scrubbing is complete, rinse the tank thoroughly with clean water, ensuring all detergent residue is flushed out. You might need to repeat this rinsing process several times until the water running from the tank is completely clear. Before refilling your tank, conduct a final inspection for any lingering mud or potential damage. Once satisfied, close all drains and carefully reconnect your water lines and power sources. To prevent future mud accumulation, consider installing a sediment filter on your tank's inlet line. This can significantly reduce the amount of particulate entering. Finally, establish a routine for regular tank inspections, perhaps every 6 to 12 months, to maintain optimal water quality and prevent extensive mud buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.